Hi, I'm here today with Rob Gowling of Banner Equipment to talk about the Miller ready-to-dig packages. You're a big fan, I should know, because you purchased a lot of units from ourselves. How many would you say you've purchased so far this year?
This year, I think with the order we've just put in, it'll be over 40 now.
40
Over 40
each.
packages for the year, yeah.
So Rob, as a dealer, what benefits do you see using the Miller bundle packages?
Storage purposes, it keeps everything in the right place for us, makes it easy to kind of check in on our part side and then dispatch out when it goes to customer. But as well as that, having the cost kind of wrapped up in one package, that's really useful for us as well. So
you know what you're getting, so you get the price, you get the delivery cost. And what is the customer feedback that you're hearing from the market?
To be honest, on your hitches and your sets, there hasn't really been any. But as you'll know in plant, like, no news is good news often when you send something out. So for us, it's kind of been, we get it fit here, it goes out, and to be honest, we forget about it, which is a positive.
As well as the small stuff, we also do the large stuff. Recently, you purchased SY500 hitch and bucket. How do we differentiate, do you think, from the competition, Rob?
So obviously for us being a quarry and contractor as well as a dealer, the bigger machines are always our bread and butter. Now with this 50 tonner, for example, it's been sold to a local quarry that we know quite well, and this is the first 50 ton sanding machine. Certainly not the first 50 ton machine by all accounts. So they'll have a lot of buckets, a lot of attachments that they've got for 50 ton machines already that might not fit a sani. Obviously, as you'll know, with a Miller hitch, it'll pick up any attachment.
For a universal hitch, it'll pick up on everybody.
So again, another bit of peace of mind, for not just for the customer, but for us as well, that he's going to be able to take this machine and pick up anything that he's got already.
So outside of the actual products themselves, what are the benefits do you find working with a company such as Miller?
I mean, we've had very little issue anyway, but any time there has been an issue, obviously we're running the stuff in our own fleet as well on the bigger kit, but your nationwide coverage of engineers, if there is a problem, the fact that things will just be picked up on site, rectified, that's spot on. But to be honest, for me, it's always the case of if there is a problem, someone will pick the phone up and someone will act fast. 99% of the time, that's all I care about, and that's been spot on. So,
as always, Rob, thank you for your business and look forward to much more.
No problem.